In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add georestrictions in Zoho People. Georestrictions are used in attendance settings to limit where employees can check in or mark attendance from. This is helpful when you want attendance to be recorded only within a specific area, such as an office building, a warehouse, or a job site. In the next couple of minutes, I will walk you through where to find the georestriction settings and how to add a new one correctly. Start by logging into Zoho People and looking at the top of the page for the Settings option. Select Settings, and then find and click Attendance. This takes you into the attendance configuration area, where location and permission-related controls are managed. Once you are in attendance, look for the Permission tab and click it. The Permission section is where you define rules that affect who can do what, and under what conditions, including location-based restrictions. Next, go to the left sidebar and select Geo-restriction. This opens the Geo-restriction page where you can view existing restrictions, if any, and create new ones for your organization. To add a new restriction, click the plus Add Geo-restriction button. A form will appear where you will define the details for this new location rule. First, enter a name. Choose something clear and recognizable, such as the site name or department location, so it is easy to identify later. After that, search for the location. Begin typing the address or place name and select the correct result from the list. Make sure you choose the exact spot you want as the center point, because the radius you set will be measured from that location. Now set the radius. This determines how far from the selected location an employee is allowed to be when checking in. A smaller radius is stricter and works well for a single building, while a larger radius can cover a bigger campus or surrounding area. Set a radius that matches the real-world space you want to allow, and keep accuracy in mind. Finally, click the Save or Confirm button in the form to create the geo-restriction. Once saved, the new geo-restriction will appear in your list and can be used as part of your attendance controls. That covers everything you need to know.